Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain what is DITA, what are the DITA topic types, and why is DITA so popular. I'm Pooja Somashekar and I'm the founder and CEO of Contents Dynamics. Let's begin. DITA stands for Darwin Information Based Typing Architecture. It is defined and managed by OASIS Technical Committee. DITA is a standard XML-based architecture which helps in authoring, producing, managing, and publishing content. There are three DITA topic types. They are concept, task, and reference. Concept topic helps the user to understand or get an idea about the instruction. It provides a background information to the user before understanding the task. Task topic helps the user to do something. It provides information in the step-by-step instruction format. Typically, it is numbered into steps of instructions. The third topic type is reference. It provides description to the user, but it does not explain anything. It only talks about the fact. So, what are the purpose of DITA? There are many advantages using DITA standards. They are single source publishing, means write once and publish everywhere. You can also see my videos on topic-based writing and single source publishing. The link has been given in the description below. When the information is written in a single source, it's easier to publish into different formats like PDF, HTML, etc. And also helps in reducing the publishing cost by 50% in many cases. DITA reduces translation cost. By maintaining the content in single source saves the translation cost. If you are using a procedure or some information which is also used in different contexts like websites, HTML help or FAQs, then only one source can be translated and it is applied to different contexts. This saves the translation cost. The next one is content reuse. As everything is written independent or standalone topics, this content can be reused in different location or different context. So there are reuse methods. They are component or topic reuse, fragment reuse, conditional reuse, and the last variable reuse. In component and topic reuse, the whole topic is reused in different places of a document or across different documents. In fragment reuse, the fragments of the topic are used. Fragments are nothing but it's a smaller part of the component or a topic. Say for example, in a topic, if you have written a note, then that note is a fragment. The third one is conditional reuse. Conditional reuse means you are specifying some condition while writing a content, and based on that condition, this content is used at different locations across different documents. The fourth one is variable reuse. Here, variables means it's a word or a phrase. These variables are defined with tags by metadata and they are used differently in different contexts. The topic or component which uses this variable will get reused widely. If you want to know more about technical writing concepts, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please support us by liking the video and sharing. Thank you.